Okay, this is Steve from Steve's Locksmith Shop. We are drilling B-rated safe with a hard plate, and I'm starting off the drill bit with just a high-speed steel titanium bit to get through the soft metal, and then we're going to switch to, this is they call it the super bit. It's a big piece of carbide to cut through that hard plate, and we'll give these a try. Well, punched through something. I don't know if we're all the way through or not, but that was just a Harbor Freight titanium bit, sheet bit. I want to grab my scope and see where we're at. Let's see if we need a straight one here. No, not that one. That won't work. Oh no. This is the one we want. Alright. We went through 2 layers and punched through, and it's not the lock case. It might be the hard plate. We'll go until the bit doesn't cut anymore. I think that's the hard plate. It's cutting. I'm gonna take one more look here. See what the heck's going on. Didn't even hit a hard plate. Huh? It's cutting through it. It's real mild steel. It's not the lock case yet. see what we got through. So there's a third layer of material. That looks like the hard plate. So we'll go a little bit further, hit it, see if it dulls this bit out. If so, then we'll switch to that Chinese super bit that I get for $1 a piece and see what it does against this thing. It's cutting it. Still no hard plate. I keep checking it. I don't want to go too far. Oops. If I turn it on.
Heavy artillery.
Yeah.
I feel like that's probably what you have to do.
What?
No, I just said it. I said I had a feeling that that's probably what you'd have to do eventually.
Yeah, the solenoid is not engaging, so there's something wrong inside the lock. So we gotta drill out the solenoid, and then we'll. That's where we want. Perfect. 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 We're drilling right through the solenoid right now. So this is a B-rated safe from Blue Dot Safe Company. No hard plate. Maybe they think it's a hard plate, but I drilled the whole thing with a Harbor Freight drill bit. See if we can get it. So, we're upside just a hair so we can hit that solenoid. Oops. Oh, there's no hard plate. So what I did is I just had to upsize it to a 5/16 bit, just because the hole is a hair off. Steve from Steve's Locksmith Shop.